Indutech Industrial Textiles is a specialized segment of technical textiles engineered for high-performance functions in industrial settings, focusing on durability, strength, and specific properties like filtration, insulation, and reinforcement, rather than aesthetics. Indutech applications. Materials with UV coating activated by light can be used as safety seal. Printed circuits and sensors, embedded electronics for combination with textiles. Knitted fabric with integrated control, with conductible silver-coated filament machine communication. String barn knit, integrated copper strands, produce magnetic field inductive charging. Carbon yarn sewn, substructure for drones. High strength, extremely light. Polypropylene with porous structure, extremely absorbent, can lift 20 times its own weight. Textiles with integrated glass fibers for data transfer. Sound absorbent nonwovens, sound waves are diverted and do not penetrate the walls. Multi-layer fabrics made of basalt and ceramic fibers make cable laying easier. Non-woven for oil recovery, for pre-filtration in metal working. Very temperature-resistant projects, adjacent filters against oil mixing. Seamless 3D knitted glove with integrated sensor provides control function in all fingers for VR and machinery control. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.